Hi guys, it's Lexi and this is the first vlog of the new semester. We live in an apartment now. Don't look at it, it's a little messy, but we have like a kitchen, living space. I just got ready really quickly, had breakfast, and today Gabby, Sushma, and I are going to Coney Island because I think this is the last weekend that all of the New York public beaches and pools are open, so we're gonna do that, and it's like a nice sunny day, so we'll get this day started. And I have my reusable environmental club bag. Sushma's returned to the vlog. We're going to the subway station now. I'm gonna get my pressed juice. Got my juice for the road. We got a Greens 3. We made it to Coney Island. It's my first time here. We're gonna ride one of those later. It's gonna be an experience. Also, why does Pete have so many ads here? Don't know. Gabby just said she feels like a kid again, and I feel the same way. I feel like I'm like regressing into my self. California has nothing on New York. They are shaking right now. You guys see this water? We bought this little mat to sit on, and Sushma got this big thing of coconut water, so we're taking turns taking swigs of coconut water, just sitting and enjoying the beach. I didn't wear a swimsuit, but now I wish I did because I want to go swim, but it's okay. I made cheesy kale chips, but they got very wilted in the bag. But I promise, when they're fresh, they're super good. Sushma brought these little snacks. They are Million Squares, chocolate orange.
Yeah.
Never seen a lot of the snacks you eat. I like trying these new things.
I got this from like London airport because this is a British brand and I really love her product.
Now we're back in the park, about to ride this one right here. Here we go. Sushma is about to ride this one. We wanted to, but I don't feel like paying an extra $10. We rode that one, just finished that, and it was really fun. What did you think?
It was cool. I thought it didn't make my stomach feel like gross.
I'm gonna show you guys Sushma's ride. Oh, is she in the front?
Yeah.
Wow, we got a thrill seeker here. Wow, look at this vegetarian taco. Got to head back to the dorm. They've both got plans tonight. Yeah. And I don't. So I'm gonna go run Central Park. So
R&R.
That's my plan. Yes, after the run though. Yeah. Gotta grind. And then, so I just ran into this vegan Instagrammer that I follow. Shout out to Vegerina. So random. I ran into Veggie Kins before once at Trader Joe's, but like I was too scared to say hi. But anyways, we're back at Columbus Circle now. It's a lot of hours later now. I ran Central Park over there, 7 miles. Then I made a little post-workout green smoothie. He stopped doing it now, but that guy right there, he was just taking candids of like, I don't know if that's his girlfriend or whatever, but like as they walked, so she can get the perfect IG picture. I love people watching from this little ledge here. Hi guys, it's Lexi, and I feel like today's gonna be a really fun day because my aunt is in town this weekend, and last night we had dinner at ABCD, which was incredible. If you want to see all the stuff we ate, check out my food Instagram, Lexi's Eats. But this morning we went to an 8:30 Soul Cycle, came back here, showered, and made my green smoothie, and now we're about to head out and really start the day. So I think we're gonna get like mani pedis, and then we're going to the Color Factory. We're gonna have lunch in Soho, maybe shop around, and then I'm really excited. Tonight we have a dinner with like all my close friends and my aunt, and we're going to Candle 79, which is like an upscale vegan place, so it should be fun. Just got ready. My hair is still wet, but I'm just gonna walk around and hope that it dries because it's kind of hot today. It's in like the 80s, so yeah, just gonna get this day started. Luckily this weekend, like I was able to get most of my stuff done, and like my internship, I got most of the work done that I needed to get done, so I can actually relax, semi-stress-free. Ignore the background, but this is what I'm wearing. Here's my aunt. She's in New York. We're about to go get our nails done. These nails are rough. They have been growing out for like a month, so.
This is after 2 weeks.
That's cute. Yeah, that looks good. We just got our manicure and pedicure at some place on West End Avenue, and I guess that was our mistake. It was insanely expensive, but nails look really good at least. And I just got like a baby pink on my toenails, and now we're headed to Color Factory. We just walked uphill, and like after that Soul Cycle class, you're both like feeling it. But yeah, I think we should make it to Color Factory on time. We literally ran, but we made it. And there's free mochi over there. They have mochi, but it's sadly not vegan, so just got one for my aunt. How is it?
So good, especially because we're so hot.
Just got my color card to take pictures. Styrofoam rocks, vomit, test riding. We just left the Color Factory. What are your thoughts?
It was fun. We got this fun boomerang picture.
I'll insert all of the pictures, or just some of the pictures and videos we got here. It was fun, it was cute to go through, but it was definitely more geared towards the kids than I expected it to be. They're like, raise your hand and make an oath to have fun.
I swear to have fun.
And then
how do you walk around doing this?
Going through that thing is like a birth control ad.
Birth control.
I hate kids, and that just like reaffirmed it.
Do you think some of your subscribers are kids?
Okay, if you're subscribed to me, you don't count, but like just the general kids, you know? So yeah, and now we're really hungry. We're gonna go have some lunch at Le Botaniste in Soho, and
Yum.
I cannot wait. Le Botaniste, we're here. So got our food, got the botanical salad with tofu, look at this super seed avocado. She got Tibetan mama, and then this coconut ceviche thing to share. We just had a quick lunch. I think that was good that that place was fast because we were hungry, we needed something. This is kind of a late lunch today, but now we're getting some late caffeine as well. Gonna go to Cha-Cha Matcha, my favorite. Wow, quite a line right now. Everyone wants their matcha. I just spilled it, but I got ginger turmeric matcha with macadamia milk. What did you get?
I forgot the name of it.
The beautiful latte.
Beautiful latte. It's really good.
Mine is very good too. I'm like struggling to record because my hands are full, but we're going back to Soho now. Guys, look, this is the rice that I recently tried. Not sponsored, but it's good. Made it to Urban Outfitters. This is so cute. Look at this keychain, but I don't need it. I'm really out of focus, but we're heading back to my apartment now, and I'll show you guys what I got. I'm just like too lazy to fix it, but very successful shopping trip. Back in the dorm now. We have like 30 minutes-ish till we leave, so I'm gonna give you guys a little Urban Outfitters haul. Shout out to my aunt. Like, I basically only go shopping when I'm with her, otherwise it's just like their stories, get one thing, feel guilty about it for a little bit, and then accept it. So, I'm gonna show you. But they did have a deal going on where it was buy one, get one, 50% off, all women's stuff. So the first thing I got was this pink pair of high-rise mom corduroy pants. I think they're pretty cute. Yeah, they fit really well. So I was like, yes. And then this little romper was on sale, which is great, but they still like gave 50% off it. This is just plain, but it goes with like, the pants I got. You'll see. This one, I love celestial stuff, so it's been a while since I did a haul, guys. And then the last thing is this really cute pair of floral pants. I think they're like palazzo style pants, and yeah, I think I'm gonna wear them with the black top I showed, and that is my Urban Outfitters haul. Hope you guys enjoyed. And we have the one and only Gabaroo in the back. I think you kind of blocked by my water bottle, unfortunately.
That's okay. I was just kind of watching you. So I'm just like, yeah, in the background.
Hyping me up. Yeah, I'm really excited for dinner now. How are you feeling? How's your day been? You want to update the viewers?
I did what all college kids do. Nothing except watch TV. Watch The Politician on Netflix. It's a new show. If you like Gwyneth Paltrow.
To go down to meet my aunt. Look at everyone. So fancy, so dressed up. Heels. I feel like a slob in my flats, but look, my toes are done at least. We're waiting for our Uber now. We have a Dama. We made it to Candle 79.
Oh yeah.
They are.
The chocolate chips. Yeah.
They gave us a free appetizer, rice crackers and guacamole. These are the appetizers. There's a flatbread type thing, sweet potato latkes, this mac and cheese, which is also gluten-free. I'm very excited about. And then the cheese plate. We're about to dig into these. We got this wild mushroom crepe, and it came with an arugula salad, beef. I didn't know how to say it. And then other stuff. She got the same thing. Spaghetti and meatballs. What did you get?
Seitan potato.
Yum.
Pretty.
What did you get?
It's a celeriac fruit and cauliflower puree with truffle oil and garlic bread.
Wow, memorized it.
Description was much better than
Everyone else was, yeah.
It's just like, this is the one thing.
Fourth is like mustard menu.
Yes, ma'am. Oh my god, I got this brownie sundae. It's gluten-free too, and it has like caramelized bananas, vegan marshmallows, ice cream, caramel, chocolate sauce. Looks so good. And then I'm also gonna have some of this peanut butter thing. I don't even know what it is, peanut butter chocolate. They got some cannolis, and then this is an apple tart. We finished dinner. What did you think, Megan?
it was absolutely delicious.
How about you?
Yummy,
Thoughts?
really yummy.
The best.
Yes.
Amazing.
Very, very delicious. I'm so full. I think the best thing was the mac and cheese, but honestly, I loved everything that I had. And we had a little photo shoot after. It was all good. Taking an Uber back feels like such a luxury. Look at these weird things on our face. I'm gonna start the vlog up again tomorrow for brunch, so stay tuned for that. Okay, that's it for tonight. Good morning. It is now the next day. I'm talking quietly because Megan and Gabby are still sleeping. But I just had my morning tea and some fruit, and I'm about to go meet my aunt for brunch at Butcher's Daughter. And I didn't put on makeup today just because we're doing a hip-hop yoga class at 3:15, and I just don't want to put on makeup for it to just sweat off very soon. So I'm just gonna put on some sunglasses, cover my eyes, but just got ready, have some rings on, just basic accessories and this tie-dye dress. And I'm excited, but also kind of sad because my aunt leaves tonight, but it's gonna be a fun day, so let's go to brunch. Butcher's Daughter, here we are. Never been to this location. We got our beverages. She just got latte, right?
Coffee.
Coffee. And I got the Goddess of Green Juice. She just got the French toast. I think the butter is vegan because they put the same one on the weekend also. So yeah, the strawberry butter and fruit. Looks good. And I got these tacos verdes with like jackfruit, I think, and then avocado, lettuce, sauce. We just finished our brunch. What did you think?
It was so yummy.
So delicious. I really loved mine. I'm normally a sweet breakfast person over savory, but I really loved mine, and the chorizo was great. And now we're heading to the subway to go to this bazaar on the Upper West Side, which is really not far from where I live, so I'll be pretty familiar with the area and hoping to find some matcha on the way. Found this place for matcha lattes, and they have vegan and gluten-free pastries. Just got matcha lattes with oat milk, got the same thing, and now headed to the bazaar. I think we just made it. Let's see. There's even more inside. I like vintage t-shirts, but most of them are overpriced. I'm trying, but I don't know if it's worth it. Just got this beautiful vintage dress from France. I'm so excited about it. We just ate a few hours ago, but we are here at Sweet Green for lunch now. So this is my first time doing a build your own salad. I got a base of spinach and kale, red cabbage, lentils, tofu, sweet potato, what else did I put? Mushrooms, and then I got a pesto vinaigrette. I think there's like something else. Oh yeah, spicy sunflower seeds.
Lentil avocado salad, added tofu.
Yum, I love Sweet Green. That's what else I got that I forgot, cucumber. Yeah, it is a huge salad, but I always finish it because that's just me with food in front of me. We finished lunch, great salads, and my aunt went into the shoe store and got a cute pair of shoes, which is great. We don't have too much time, but I'm gonna try and get my grocery shopping for the week done because we're nearby Trader Joe's and I don't feel like walking all the way back later. And I'm only getting a few things this week because I feel like I have a lot of frozen vegetables I need to use up. I don't know, I've never done a grocery haul, but this is where I go every week, my favorite. I just got back. We're about to change for yoga, but look how cute these tote bags are from Trader Joe's. Thank you so much, they're adorable. And then didn't get too much food this week, you know, just got the essential. Just got ready for yoga. She's ready. We're going to hip hop yoga now. All right, Y7, here we go. Just finished class. She doesn't want to be on camera. I look gross, but I don't care. I feel very rejuvenated, good, and it was like an ASAP Mob inspired class. Started with LSD by A$AP Rocky, and after that I knew it was going to be a good class, so yeah, I feel good. And now we're just gonna pick up some dinner and head back to my apartment. I'm still pretty full from lunch, so this is tonight's dinner spread. We got this, tomato basil bisque from by Chloe, and I'm gonna put in some crackers that I have. Yeah, it's their daily soup, changes on the day. It's these matcha kelp noodles, and then this is not from by Chloe, I got it earlier today, but this cookie. And that's gonna be my dinner. And I'm just gonna shower, study for my midterm tomorrow. and end out the vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching these weekend vlogs. Let me know if you want like a week in my life with all my classes and my internship now, and you know, more of what I'm really doing besides just the fun days, because that's like 1 or 2 days out of the whole month. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this series. Let me know what you thought. Sorry for the lack of vlogs, but hopefully I'll be back. Let me know if you want a grocery haul, what I eat in a week, weekly vlogs, OTWs, everything, and I will see you soon. I should have pulled up all one before this clip, but it's okay. Bye guys.